All right, hello. This is second stream. If anyone's watching, I think I fixed most of the issues that I had last time. Last time I think I was trying to fix the audio. I don't know. I didn't watch the whole thing back, but I don't think it was that bad past the 5 minute mark. Um, but I think my levels are good today. Hopefully, I tested them out a little bit before. That's a couple hours ago. They seemed okay, and I have like an ultra wide. I mentioned this in the last stream. I have an ultra wide screen, so it doesn't really like map well to um, like YouTube's screen. That makes sense. So hopefully this is a workaround. I have, um, rather than broadcasting the actual screen itself, I'm just broadcasting the individual applications. So hopefully this works well. Hopefully it looks okay. Um, yeah. What we're going to be doing today is working on this. So, Coding Challenges is a great website for getting like hands-on practice building things. I've completed a couple of them. I've done like a Redis clone in Go. I did WC, which if you're not familiar, it's a terminal command, and it just counts the number of words or lines or I think bytes. No, characters. Um, in like a text file, or it's a Unix tool, so it can take a file as input or like a stream as input. So you could do standard input. You could like pipe the output of other commands into it. So I did that in C. Yeah, it was C. Um, did like there's a real time chat. There's a lot of stuff. There's a lot of cool stuff here. You can see a big list here. It's codingchallenges.fyi. I believe I put it in the description as well of this video. I highly recommend. Um, yeah, it's a little intro here. It's run by John Cricket, I believe. I found him through LinkedIn. But yeah, today we're going to be doing. Find it. A rate limiter. Here we go. So I was going to do. My main language is Go, and I love Go. It's my favorite language. It's very simple language, easy to learn. Um, Performant enough. It's compiled. I do not like dynamic types. I mean, they have their place, right? But I like static types. It's got static types. Yeah, it's got like a C-like syntax. There's a lot of things about Go that are nice. Um, so I was thinking of my main language is Go. I also do some stuff in Python, and I'm learning C++. I know C, um, but C is like, you're going hard mode if you're making this kind of stuff. So yeah, I mean, it's definitely doable, but I don't think it would be that fun. Maybe I'll do some others like text processing, but probably not. So my point being, I was planning on doing this in either C++ or Python because those are I'm kind of trying to build my skills in those. I think we're just gonna stick with Go because I love Go and I am always looking to improve my skills specifically in Go in everything, right? I mean, I don't want to stay flexible. The languages that I'm using, um, but Go is it's just I just like it a lot, and part of the reason why I'm learning Python is I like Python, but it's all right. Um, I want to say just for the job opportunities is the reason that I'm learning Python, but sorry, I didn't say learning Python. I know Python. I've worked uh for years with Python, building like little programs and scripts. But yeah, I mean, like if I like my first choice to build anything would be Go. Like, there were no other considerations. Anyway, we're gonna be doing it in Go. So we'll go over this. And I'm gonna be testing stuff here. Just put the music. Uh-oh. Thing real quick. I had a tab with like YouTube music. Weird on me. Reopen it. Okay. Let me turn. Okay, so we're gonna be going over this. There's some Postman stuff. So I know the basics of using Postman. If you don't know what Postman is, it's just it's like you can send API requests. So you specify. It's an API testing tool essentially. You write out the URL, you write out the body, you write all the data that you want. Like if you're testing your own API, you just build a bunch of different requests and then you just click send, and then that's like I use it manually. I haven't had to like do anything crazy with it, but today we're probably gonna go a little deeper on it. So part of this stream will be me learning the more advanced functionality. So hopefully it won't be too boring, if anyone's even. But yeah. So we'll see how it goes. I gotta do some stuff later, so this might not go as long as the last stream that I did. But we'll see. I am gonna try to do like a daily stream even if it's only half an hour to an hour, and then probably at least 3 longer streams, like 3+ hours. I'd like to do some that are like 4 or 5 hours. To like show a longer what am I trying to say? Like an entire workflow for a thing, because like I don't think I'm going to be able to complete this entire challenge today. Excuse me. In terms of like debugging, because these take a while. Like these will probably take about 8 hours on average. I've had some take me like 3 or 4 hours. I had some take me a lot longer than that, like 10 to 12 hours. And then once you're done, you can always build on it and add more functionality, and that could take you days, weeks, depending on how far you want to go. Like if you want to build out an entire like deployable application, you can go as far as you want. But yeah, today we're just gonna do the basics of this, or I should say the basic steps of it. Step through it, and yeah, it'll be a good time. So I am going to and I have a directory specifically for these. I got it wrong. It's coding challenge. Oh well. So we're gonna call it CC rate lim. diff. And then what we'll do is create a GitHub repo, and then it'll automatically clone it locally. Actually, you know what? Delete this. Create it. No, you don't. And then that was so you can see, I don't know if you can tell, but I used my fingerprint to unlock 1Password. So what I was working on last time was a plugin for the 1Password CLI tool, and that's that in action. You see that? Yeah, that's that in action. It provisioned my GitHub OAuth token. So with using my finger. So cc rate lim a rate limiter go coding just oh my god. We'll get it. Okay. Oh, let's see. Okay. Yeah, you can see all the other stuff I've made. I think some of it was just there's just templates that I made. I didn't know. Okay, yep. I'm using this because I do have it aliased. I've Vim or used like the plain old Vim. One less letter to type, you know what I mean? Actually, let's go to tmux. Forget to use tmux. Word. Okay. Okay, let's go over this first. You know what? I'm also going to disable Copilot because I am trying to learn here. And I don't know if I'm just bad at typing or I got kind of crooked. I don't know. I know where the keys are. Maybe that'll be another stream. Practicing touch typing. Probably not though. That'd be pretty boring. Go. See what I mean? Oh, it's a directory. What? What did I do? Get into the muscle memory and I'm just making it. There we go. Can I just sign out? Yeah. Figuring out what I'm gonna make for dinner tonight. Okay, yeah, I don't want to use Copilot because if it's like a learning thing, if it's like a learning thing, I don't want it to give me the answers before I've figured it out for myself, right? I didn't shut it off last time because I wasn't really learning. I'd already done that stuff. And it was helping me with the boilerplate code, so, you know, whatever. No harm, right? I do. Yeah, one thing I want to, okay, little sidetrack note. I want to start using like Git hooks, and I don't know that much about CI/CD, so I'd like to learn a bit more about that, like GitHub Actions in particular, maybe like Terraform or something. And I'm just full of voice cracks today. Maybe I need to drink some water or something. Yeah, so I'd like to learn Git hooks or whatever. Because with Go in particular, there's Go FMT. So you just run it and it automatically formats everything according to like rules, I guess you could call them. Formatting rules, whatever. And I always forget to use it. Like I know I need to use it. So like the thing, and I'm sure there's a Vim plugin that I just don't know about or something. But in VS Code, whenever you save a Go file, like when you're working on it, you click Control S, Command S, whatever. Or if you're using Vim bindings, it would be :W. It automatically runs Go format for you, I believe, which does not happen with Vim. So, hey, you know what? Maybe that'll be a stream, is writing that plugin if it doesn't exist. I'm sure it does, but if it doesn't, I could do that. I'm also learning Lua right now, by the way, for that very purpose, to write Vim plugins. Yeah, so, anyway. Sidetrack over. I need server endpoints. Oh, forgot to do Go mod. Yeah. I don't know why I always clear. I like being at the top of the screen. And okay, so let's look at this. Let's read this. Write your own rate limiter. This challenge is to build your own API rate limiter. Rate limiters are a key part of building an API or large-scale distributed system. They help when we wish to throttle traffic based on the user. They allow you to ensure that one or more bad actors can't accidentally or deliberately overload the service. A rate limiting strategy can make your API more reliable when... And then there's a bunch of things. I'll let you read it if you want. I'd recommend reading this whole page, doing the challenge yourself. But basically, we just want to limit the amount of requests that a specific user or IP address can send within a given time frame, to kind of make it fair for everyone, allow everyone to use the service, and not have one person hog it because, you know, they forgot that they had like a while loop in their code, or, you know, if they're intentionally trying to DDoS? I don't know. I don't know if this would fix the DDoS attack. That's another thing I'd like to get better with, is like application security. Anyway, okay, the challenge. Building your own rate limiter. There are 6 common approaches to rate limiting. There's a token bucket, leaky bucket as a meter, leaky bucket as a queue, fixed window counter, sliding window log, and sliding window counter. I believe we're going to implement... Okay, yeah, right here. In this challenge, we're going to implement the token bucket, fixed window counter, and sliding window counter. Then we're going to enable the rate limiting to work across several servers using Redis. I forgot to set up Redis, but that's okay. That's another thing. I want to set up. I want to learn how to set up like just a whole testing environment, like a template with Redis, Postman, Go tests, and just like run like a Docker image or a Docker container, and just with one command just run everything. I don't know if GitHub Actions uses Docker container. I don't think it does. Just a file. I don't know. That's not today's focus. Okay. So step 0. Yeah, we're just setting up our IDE/editor of choice and programming language of choice. We've already done that. We're using Go, Vim, and Tmux. Vim and Tmux are goated. Yeah, if you might also want to download and install Postman for the later parts of the challenge. If not, you can use curl. We are going to be using Postman. Step 1. In this step, your goal is to implement a simple API you can use for testing. For this challenge, I'd like you to create 2 endpoints, limited and unlimited. You can have them return anything you want. For my examples, I've had them return some text. Here's my test to check they work. You should do something similar. But probably for the first 2, we'll use curl. We don't need to use Postman for like these very simple things. It's literally just getting an endpoint. Yeah, okay. I am a little bit rusty. This stuff, just because like I said, I've been working with Python and C++ mostly, but we're like getting back to Go. Yeah. Yeah, is it server? Server, is it not? Oh my goodness, wow. Do this. Yeah. Oh, new serve max. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I see. It's like a factory function. No, listen and serve is what specified. A pot. Do 80. So we want unlimited. Should be. No, we want to create yeah, okay. Not. Oh, I see. Okay, could help. Yeah, yeah, okay, yeah, yeah. Should just pat. Def. Handle. Good. Double check the interface definition. Yeah, okay, that's right. Unlimited. We don't want to just copy that. We want to go unlimited, baby. Beautiful, beautiful. Did it? Yes. I don't know if we need it. Oh, lights. Set the lights. To handle limited. Yeah, you. Okay. Right. Limited and can't spell either. Still didn't spell it. Did. Okay. Wait. What? No, doing a load balancer. Doing a rate limiter. What did I get wrong? Oh, do I have to go? What? Both in package me. Oh, it's because I have to capitalize. It's unexported. So in Go, if you don't know this in Go, there's no like private public keywords. So if you want something to be private, you have start it with lowercase. Wait, no, but they're both in package main. Doesn't matter. Heck. But maybe I just have to use build because I know there's weird stuff with that. So. I have to specify the full address. Okay. I'm a little rusty still. Easy. I'll try that next time. Okay. There we go. Cool. I'll add a new line. I'll just we got step 1, step 2. In this step, your goal is to implement the token bucket algorithm for rate limiting. The token bucket algorithm works like this. There is a bucket that has capacity for n tokens. Usually this is a bucket per user or IP address. Every time period, a new token is added to the bucket. If the bucket is full, the token is discarded. When a request arrives in the bucket, okay, so I don't know how to do, I've done it once. I built like a timer go, but I'm gonna have to look that up because I forget how to do that. Excuse me. When a request arrives and the bucket contains tokens, the request is handled and a token is removed from the bucket. When a request arrives and the bucket is empty, the request is declined. For this step, implement this strategy such that the bucket is per IP address, has a capacity of 10 tokens with new tokens added at a rate of 1 token per second. Okay. When a request is rejected, you should return the HTTP status code of 429 too many requests. Once you have implemented that, you can use Postman to test it. There's a blog post that introduces the performance testing capabilities of Postman and explains how to set it up here. So we'll probably go through that as part of the stream because that's some functionality that I'm not familiar with. Pretty basic, I think, but we'll see, I guess. I configured a test to hit the limited API endpoint with 10 virtual users. As you can see, that results in no errors initially. The bucket had 10 tokens, then after a second, 90% of the requests fail, as there are 10 users trying to access the API, but only 1 token being added per second. Once that works, on to step 3. Okay. So let's exit out of this. It's got muscle memory from typing neovim or nvim. Okay. So you know what, let's step 8. Oh my god. That's weird. Password. Usually I just do the one password thing. Maybe my token expired. I don't know. Okay. Okay. So what we'll do. Space. Okay. No, so what we're gonna want. We'll probably use a map. Or IP address. No, if we just want to string. Not want that to nil. So, okay, this will work for now. So if it's new, we'll initialize it. Okay, so let's get the IP address first. Get the IP address from the request. Okay, let's just see, get. Okay, cool. Yeah, what we want. Okay. We'll say oops. Tokens, okay, equal bucket. Here, yeah, we don't want the port, we just want the address, right? So we want to split it just on assuming that's how it's formed. One sec. Okay. Split n twice. That's what we want. So we're just getting the address without the port. And then I guess if there's no port specified, it won't matter anyway because we're just getting the first element, and there'll be at least one element, right? No. So if we do not, if they're not already in the buckets. No. Okay. You know what we'll do? Okay. There we go. That's a bit more concise, I think. Okay. So we're gonna have to update the buckets from yeah, we're gonna have to use, so this, from what I understand, every time you use a handler function, it's in a new Go routine. I'm not gonna explain what Go routines are right now, but it's basically, it's like a lightweight it's how Go handles concurrency. So buckets is gonna have to be accessible from the handler functions as well as the server itself, because we want to update, so the timer is going to update. The server is going to add a token up to, that was weird, up to 10 tokens on a timer interval, and yeah, so it's gonna have to access the buckets map just every, like, I don't know, let's say 10 seconds. But then also the handler's gonna have to be able to access it. So we'll use a mutex. We'll use a mutex. But it'll have to be, we'll probably do like a little config, server config thing that can be accessed. Yeah, because you can access it because it's all in the same package. Let's see. Yeah, okay. It's accessible. Yeah, just gotta get used to Vim. Okay, so I think the mutex, go get this. In the load. Okay, yeah, you just declare them mute. And then that way they both can use. Yeah, it'll be similar to this. So I'll do. Yeah, maybe I'll declare all the variables in the main function. That would probably make the most sense. We'll do, yeah, so this will be buckets basically. Hopefully next time I won't have to like review all this stuff because I won't be rusty with it. Yeah, so mutex, read-write mutex. Wait period. The wait period will be like how often we add tokens to the bucket. Okay, let's just break this into two. We'll do main. Yeah, here. Excuse me. Then we have to. It's fine. There we go. Let's like refresh. There's got to be a way to do that. Like a Vim plugin or something. Again, I'm not great. I'm like okay with Vim. I started using Vim probably the beginning of this year. And I want to learn, like I know the basic Vim motions, I know how to get around. I know how to like do most of my development stuff, but I want to get better at like using and writing plugins and doing like recordings. I don't know exactly what they're called, but like you can click Q to record a bunch of actions, keystrokes, and then you can like replay it to just automatically it's almost like copy and paste but for commands. And I know that's like a really powerful feature of Vim that I'm not using. I'd hope to learn that soon. Oh, we got the buckets. Like yeah, there's got to be like a plugin or a command for just refreshing the buffer or refreshing the file so that changes. Well, yeah, because that would be the static, the analyzer, the linter, whatever. Whatever. Got a little bit of neck pain. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oops. One sec. Do we want another one? W. Is mutex just a... Just a read mutex? I guess I should look at the docs first. Okay, yeah. That makes sense. Okay. Oops. So okay. We'll work on the handler function first, and then once we're done that, then we'll implement the go routine that adds tokens to the bucket. Maybe we'll test. Yeah, maybe we'll just test the handler function first, and then we'll write the timer that updates everything. Yeah, okay. Gotta be a better way. Try lock. Yeah, okay, that's cool. Okay, so we want to, maybe it doesn't matter, but we want to unlock as soon as possible, but we don't want to unlock it, then lock it. What we're going to do yeah, so yeah, we'll just return a 200. We'll return a 200 if there's more than 0 tokens. Otherwise, we will return to 429. Okay, cool enough. If count greater than 0. Yes or no? Oh. X. Okay. That's interesting. Oh, it's the way that it. Whatever, it doesn't matter. You know what, just to make it more readable. Because we don't flip the line, you know? So who's forever to order at the line, right? Okay. Too many, dude. Too west, my friend. I don't think we needed to. We didn't really use it ever. I'm pretty sure that like the overall handler closes, but that's probably something I should look up. Let's just see. Count behind this one, but come on. Okay, so if you specify the file, then it doesn't incorporate. I don't know if link is the right word, but it doesn't take into account the other files, just the main file. So we gotta specify the entire module directory. Okay, so to curl. Again, another thing I should get better at is using Z shell better, because I know you can just autocomplete. Like if you've used the command in the past, it's like autocomplete it. But hey, everything. Unlock of unlocked. Oh, did I locked it in the if statement, didn't I? Okay. Okay. That's yeah, so since it already exists, it doesn't end up blocking it. Okay. Oh. Oh, it doesn't show up. Okay. Maybe we should probably be using Postman. Just use the man page for that. Let's grep this for code, maybe? Pipe it into grep. What? Oh. Hold on. I never actually tried to do this, pipe something to grep. I usually just use it to... Is it because I use... Yeah, okay. $55.01. Okay, whatever, it's okay. We'll just use Postman. Okay, I don't know. Google it. Because it's something I should know. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. So we got the right request. Oh, jeez. Okay, so we're not quite done, so I still have to implement the timer that updates, or that increases the token. We'll do me. Okay, so make it a function and then we'll just call it in a Go routine. Tokens. Lock. Lock. Okay, it was that simple. Probably doesn't need to be its own function, but eh. Eh. Do we need a context on this? 'Cause I guess it just closes. Again, I'm rusty. Think it's okay. Maybe we'll print just so that be the output. Updated buckets. No, 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 no. Dude, that's gonna constantly run. I need to do that. I need... Goofball. This is 1 second, so I don't need to multiply by anything. Maybe we'll just so it's like super clear. I click E by accident. Maybe what I'll do too once I figure it out is I've seen other people, streamers do. No, I don't think I'll do that. They'll put their like as they're typing, it'll show up on the screen what they're typing, like specifically in Vim, I think. But that's okay. I don't think that's really necessary, at least not right now. Okay, so we'll just use this for right now. And if we need to close the thing, close the Go functions, or cancel them using context, we can do that later. Oh, that's right. It's not even running in a loop. Ay, ay, ay. We often want to execute Go code at some point in the future or repeatedly at some interval. Go's built-in timer and ticker features make both of these tasks easy. We'll look first at timers and then at tickers. I think tickers is what we want. Timers represent a single event in the future. You tell the timer how long you want to wait and it provides a channel that will be notified at that time. This timer will wait 2 seconds. Okay. Yeah, okay. So we might just use sleep, right? Let's look at tickers. Timers are for when you want to do something once. Tickers are for when you want to do something repeatedly. Okay. Tickers use a similar mechanism to timers, a channel that is sent values. Here we'll use the select built-in on the channel to await the values as they arrive every 500 milliseconds. I don't think we need to use channels because we're not like communicating across things. Like I can just yeah, we can just use a sleep. I don't think we need to use this. Right? Yeah. Like we'll update it, like we'll just put it in a while loop, update it, wait 1 second, and then that'll just go continuously. You know, if you can avoid concurrency, dealing with concurrency, yeah. But I'm sure in the real world, it's not that simple. It's not what we want. It's just time.sleep. Wait duration. It'll be fine. Oh, no. Weak. Oh, no. I think we can. I don't even think we can. Ooh. let's just, yeah, we should use Postman for this. So let's jump into using Postman. Which one is this? Yeah, let's see. We want to simulate user traffic. Oh, maybe I have to create an actual account because they have like their own addresses that they send from, maybe? I don't know. Okay. Simulate user traffic to test your API performance. Performance testing enables you to simulate user... One sec, let's see how many... On step 2 right now. I think there's 4 steps? Oh, 6, okay. Yeah, we're definitely not going to finish this today, but tomorrow. Or maybe. Okay. Performance testing enables you to simulate user traffic so you can observe how your API behaves under load and find out if the performance meets expectations. It can also help you identify any issues or bottlenecks that affect performance. You can use the collection runner to test the performance of your API with the same requests, collections, and environments you use for functional API tests. To configure a performance test, create a collection with the requests you want to send to your API. Okay, let's not get sidetracked on this. Oh, it runs on your computer and not in the cloud. Okay. Maybe that's what, okay, maybe free just means like you don't have to be signed in. I think I am signed in anyway, but okay, so okay, I'm just gonna add this. I'm gonna add a post option. We want okay, that is put it here. How about that? I want it here. Oh, this is kind of goofy. Okay, bear with me here. Bear with me. No, that is not what we... Okay. Hold on. Could have done this before, sorry. No, that's not what I want. Okay, that's good enough, I think. Yeah, and I'm gonna just toggle which one's visible. We'll figure this out. I gotta get a better screen or a better monitor. Not better, but I don't know. We'll figure it out. Okay, so we'll do limited. Limited get. And we'll do this is from previous stuff that I was working on. Yeah, we don't need anything. Let's see. Oh, is it? Oh, I see. It always, okay. Okay, whatever. Forget it. Let's just do 5. Oh, not 56. No, I'll do for 1 minute. What is going on here? Error rate 100%. Okay. Let me make, I don't want to like, I think it'll be, it might just say local, yeah, okay, it just says, okay. I don't know Yeah, I don't know if you can see. Oh, okay. Okay, so clearly I don't know what I'm doing with this Postman thing. Yeah, it says 200k here. Okay. Request URL is empty. What? Oh man. Okay, the sun is getting crazy again. One sec. Got some water. Okay, so let's figure this out. Yeah, let's read up a bit more. Okay, that was just the intro. Doi. Where you configure a performance test, create a collection, or add a folder with the requests you want to use to simulate user activity. Each virtual user runs the selected requests in the specified order and repeats the sequence throughout the test. Multiple virtual users all operate in parallel to simulate real-world usage of your API. To configure a performance test in the Postman desktop app, do the following. Select collections in the sidebar and select the collection or folder you want to use for performance testing. Okay. Oh, you can't even see this. There we go. Okay. On the overview tab, select run. Yeah, I did that. adjust. Testing. No, that's all the way. Okay, so apparently I'm not loud enough, but everything's at max volume. That's weird. I don't know if it's an issue with OBS. This is weird. This is weird. I don't know. I guess I'll figure it out tomorrow. Okay, I'll turn on the music. Okay, I'll figure out for the next stream how to make my voice louder. Let's see. Okay, yep, so select the performance tab. Okay, so I did all this. I don't know. I'm not right now. I swear I was wrong. Let's see. Try this. So do I have to specify it in here? Send a request. Oh, so I don't actually use this. Okay. Do. Okay. See if this works. Music. Lo-fi. Oh, they go into a new. What the heck? What is playing here? Okay, something ain't right. They're playing on two different things. Oh, I see. Okay. Get a different automatically. Okay, whatever. Let's just try this. I think this is gonna be okay. What the heck? Yeah, okay, so it's sending. But it's not getting anything back? Is that what's wrong? Hello, hello. Come here. Come on, honey. 1 second. Okay. Sorry, that's my cat. Dude, I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay, let's be able to differentiate between. Alright. Let's just. I know it's not gonna go. Eh. Why is there no response? What the heck? Request URL is empty. What? Here. Come here. Come here. I got a chair for you. I got a chair for you. Come here. Come on. Come here. Play. One second. My screen's all black now. Yikes. One second. Gotta fix this now. Yeah, honey. Messing up my stream. And dude. Give me a second. There we go. Okay, we're back. I don't even know what happened. Rascal. The little rascal. Okay. It's saying the request URL is empty, but I can see it right here. Oh, I see. Does it just do this? Runs this? Whatever's in here? Let's see. Oh, it's supposed to be JSON? No, just see. Okay, let's see. Maybe we'll return some JSON. Maybe let's just not even... whatever. No, 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 no. Come on. Okay, she's going to eat. Should I make coffee? Yeah, I'm gonna go make a coffee. I'll be right back. Okay, we got the AeroPress steeping for 2 minutes, so I'll be back off the 2 minutes. But that one will be way quicker. Quite a long coffee. The kettle takes a while to heat up. I don't know what to tell you. Hello. Hang out. Okay. Hi, honey. Can't see. Just chilling beside me. Okay. Okay. Stream is already. It's not the most productive day, but that's okay. I feel like I'm burped a little bit. Okay. Whatever. Let's just move on with this. Gonna do some JSON. This we don't. We might need it in the future. Or we might want it in the future, but eventually gonna have to. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay. Got smudge. Coding buddy. Okay, I don't want to disturb her. Maybe eventually I'll do like a little smudge cam so you can watch. She's hanging out with us. You can see her alongside me. That's for another day. Okay, so is there? Is that right? Let's see. Oh, oops. No. Okay. Disaster avoided. I put my coffee where I don't usually put it. When I move my hand, I spilled a little bit, but that's okay. Okay. What am I doing here? You know what? We don't need that. Okay, one sec. Send a request. Let's see. Let's learn more about test script. This is what we should have done in the first place. Okay. I'll probably go till 5, go for another hour. Didn't make as much progress as I wanted to, but that's okay. Probably tomorrow we'll continue with this. We're learning today's, I guess, mostly learning about Postman. It's not a bad thing, you know. That's not time waste. Learning new stuff. It's never a waste of time. Being very good today. Usually she's like all over the keyboard and coming up on my desk and like lying right on top of my keyboard, but good today. She's sitting on her little seat that I put here for her. Very true. Okay, one second. Okay, I gotta stop, I gotta put my mic in a better position. Okay, see ya. Okay, so let's see. The pre-request script and tests tabs use the Postman sandbox, a runtime based on Node.js. No, I'm just kidding. Node.js that enables you to add dynamic behavior to requests and collections. The pre-request tab enables you to do any processing needed before sending a request. Okay, we don't care about that right now. Yeah, the tests tab allows for any post-processing after a request is sent and includes the ability to write tests for assessing response data. Yeah, so it should, like, we want this, right? What is this? Okay. So we send no data empty input at 1, 1. What? What? Okay, maybe we'll use AI here. Okay, this is not helping. I feel like there's something obvious that I'm missing, but go back to this again. Fine. Yeah, debugging performance test there. Let's see. Okay, let's try it with no response. Okay, so we have the URL here. What am I not doing right? Okay, we don't move. This is all fine. Request URL is empty. What? Okay, one second. What? Okay, is it not waiting long enough for a response? just a second here. It's kind of ugly, but whatever. See, I don't know why this is happening. Does it need to wait a bit longer, maybe? Honestly, I don't know that much about JavaScript. Plus, I don't know how this library works. Okay. Oh, okay. I just had to save it, I guess. Right? Maybe not. Let's just stop and see. Okay, so it's okay. Very cool. I even do differently than last time. Was it just this? I guess so, eh? You see how... I do want to try to simulate from different users, but right now it's all coming from the same IP address. Let's see these errors. Yeah, it shouldn't like flatline like this. Oh no, it doesn't. Okay. Or maybe. Yeah, this should not be like this, right? Is it not updating? Okay, I know. Okay, I mean, we pretty much finished the step, but I just want to make sure, because this seems a little fishy. Maybe we'll just print the number of tokens. There we go, okay. You goofball. Hey, there we go, okay, that's why we test. That is why we test. Okay. Okay, very cool. I'll just let it run. Okay, so yeah, we got that taken care of. Yeah, we'll move on to step 3, and then hopefully we can finish step 3 today. I think we got we figured out how to test using Postman, and it took up most of the time really. Because once we figured that out, can like run tests. Beautiful. You're a beauty bud. Okay. I don't know what that was, I'm sorry. Oh, yeah. That's what we want. Do... popping up. Oh, maybe because I updated my Mac OS recently, and I think before I had like always allow on. I think maybe since I updated it that got like reset. I don't know. Okay. You couldn't see any of that. Okay. Yeah, I gotta figure out a better setup for this. But yeah, basically you can see before it was like it would ramp up like here, and then it would just keep giving me errors because the tokens wouldn't bottom out at 0. They would go to negative, which is obviously goofy. Maybe it should have been a uint. Yeah, that should have been a uint. I mean, it's never gonna go. Like it's 10, it's between 0 and 10. So, you know what I mean? It's never gonna go. Maybe even a byte, but that's okay. We'll do. Well, that is okay. Basically, it's fine. Okay. Let's just double check to make sure everything works still. Okay, cool. This jives with jives? Is that this is consistent with what I would expect. Okay, cool. Cool. Oh, does it even matter? It would probably underflow anyway. It's another thing I gotta the word like review, I guess, because I knew that, but I forget exactly how uint 8 behaves. Okay. In this step, your goal is to implement the fixed window counter algorithm. The fixed window counter algorithm works like this. A window size of n seconds is used to track the request rate. Each incoming request increments the counter for the window. If the counter exceeds a threshold, the request is discarded. The windows are typically defined by the floor of the current timestamp. So this time with a 60-second window length would be in the 1747 window. Again, you can use Postman to test this. I used 10 virtual users with a 60-second window and 60 request threshold. Okay, so maybe we'll do different rate limiter algorithms like as functions, and then just like swap them out, I guess. Okay. I guess we'll have to do a map. No, not a map. We do a slice. No. Okay. Do a slice with like a struct. We'll do a slice with a struct. And the struct has the IP address and the time of the request. So it's a slice of requests. But I feel like it's gonna take a long time to calculate everything. Okay, we'll try that, and then maybe we can try and optimize it. So what is this called? Token bucket? Yeah, token bucket. Should I use the IP address as input? Because then, yeah, I feel like yeah, that was me. Okay. I just do. Oopsies. Oh, it's a little janky. Oh well. Maybe we don't want to pass the response right. I guess it doesn't matter. Nah, it's fine. It's fine. Okay. So we're gonna have a slice. I guess, yeah, okay. Each handling function is gonna be its own go routine. So like, if there's multiple concurrent requests, they're all gonna be accessing the map. Okay, so yeah, it's still gonna have to lock and unlock it. Oh my goodness. Window, not window element. Request time. So yeah, so if whatever, I was gonna figure out how to find, because you could do binary search, right? To find the point at which the time is like outside of the window, but that would require compare requests. Like one might be out, it might try to access like an index, like it might try to go out of bounds. So we'll worry about that. Okay, so request item. At time. And I guess we don't. This is redundant. Okay, so maybe what we'll do, have a slice of request items, request item elements, and then another slice holding the counts for each IP address. And maybe it'll like update every second. But yeah, let's try that. So window slice will not be accessed directly. We'll just like access the counts. Okay, we'll try that. Checking how it got pretty hot earlier. Okay, go. Should I branch everything? Break everything off into different files, maybe? It's okay. We want window slice. Window slice. Okay. Yeah. And then we'll just do a linear search through it until we figure out something better. No count. Yeah, let's move port. Not bad. Just and then we'll do window. say window. Could do just one times a minute, but that's okay. Okay, and this will also sleep. 1 second. Yeah, because we'll reuse wait duration. It's okay. No. Why did I do that? It's a slice of no items, right? Or request items. See what their return. Yeah, okay. Oh wait, no. Okay. We don't want to just do like a continue. No. Damn. There we go. Okay, we only got 15 minutes? Okay, we can do this. You're slow today. Then I guess continue. like this, but whatever. Oh, we can fix it after. Okay. Window slice. Window slice. Yeah, as soon as the element that we're checking is not before the window, then we're gonna just drop it off there, including the one that. Keep the. Figure out how best to do this. So I could do just go to the part that was dropped off, like just decrease the counts by like how many were in there. I'm gonna update this every second. So like if we're going through, I feel like we're not gonna chop that many off per second, but we're gonna keep a lot. So if we go through the part that got chopped off, it'll be quicker. Yeah, that's probably. Okay. We'll do stale. Okay. Hey. I used to Python. We don't. Oh. Okay. Yeah, and then a request comes. Yeah, because this should not go below 0. Because every time. Yeah. Okay. we'll sleep. Maybe a better way to do this, but yeah, we can maybe use like command line arguments to decide which algorithm to use, but we can just do that at the end. We don't need to do that now. Okay. Okay, so this window. No. Dang it. Okay, we need another variable to keep track of global variable. 60. If oh, did I make it after? We gotta make oh my goodness. go ahead and just send. Okay, you know what? We'll finish. We'll try to finish step 3. Like we'll try to test it and finish it, and then we'll end the stream. Maybe I should implement the go routine in each individual thing, so it's not like. That would make more sense, right? Wait, no. Yeah, okay. Yeah, because then once it gets triggered once, then the other go routine just keeps going. We'll try that after. Maybe tomorrow. Oopsie daisies. Dark. Looks like I'm in a pitch black room. Not that dark. Okay, just see. Sure, I'll have. Yeah. Range. Oh. I didn't create. I didn't like add stuff. Doing a range, it shouldn't. Something ain't right here. Is it not locking and unlocking properly? Weird. One. This is weird. How is it going to 3 if there's only one element? I have a feeling it's fishy. I don't think this is what I want. Yes, this is what I'm doing. Essentially, right? Yeah. Right here. Doesn't make any. unlocking it here. Did it only work on the first one? Let's check. If this. Yeah, again, okay. Okay, this will be something to fix tomorrow. So, if you're watching this, thank you. Thank you for watching until the end. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do this every day now. Tomorrow I should be on at the same time. I'm gonna try to run some errands earlier in the day, so depending on when I'm done those, I might be a little later, but I'm gonna try for 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow. Probably another 3 or 4 hour stream. Yeah, and then so we'll continue working on this, squash this bug that we're having, and hopefully I think tomorrow it's doable that we can actually finish the challenge. So yeah, I will see you there, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.